From ingredient delivery and storage, to batching and makeup, to baking and packaging, Pepperidge Farm is focused on continuing its tradition of producing the highest quality breads and other baked goods. Mix in the design, manufacturing, and installation expertise of Shick, and Pepperidge Farm as a recipe for success. Pepperidge Farm designed its new Bloomfield, Connecticut facility to replace its original aging plant. The company wanted to build on its founder's vision of keeping quality and value in every process. Unlike limited product bakeries, Pepperidge needed the design and systems flexibility to handle its specialty products, short runs, and greater throughput.
We make over 32 retail bread varieties here, requiring different amounts of ingredients. The Shick equipment allows us to get those materials through faster. We're able to mix larger batches, and by running larger batches in a shorter period of time, we're able to put more poundage out in the plant.
Pepperidge Farm needed suppliers like Shick who could deliver upgraded process controls to ensure quality, speed process flow, and increase productivity, and do it 24/7.
It involved virtually all of the capabilities that Shick offers. We did minor ingredients, micro ingredients, liquid ingredients, our sophisticated controls architecture. And so we had a chance to basically demonstrate all of our competencies in the confines of one project.
One of the main reasons that we feel we received the job from the customer was that they saw we could integrate the entire system from dry, liquid, and controls from the design all the way through the integration to startup.
Shick's ingredient handling specialists took the traditional truths of bread baking and designed systems to bring liquids and dry materials together to match exact formulations at the precise time. Shick built in the reliability of automated procedures for accuracy, repeatability, and efficiency, which drive down production costs.
We've doubled to tripled the output capability per line in this plant, automated many of the manual operations that we had in our old Norwalk facility, and streamlined it, simplified it from front to back. And we're running probably at 50% more productivity than we had in our old facility.
The process begins with bulk and intermediate receiving, dry and liquid bulk storage and transfer, and continues through the brew room to mixing and baking. Bread's main ingredient, flour, is delivered several times throughout the day. Pepperidge Farm maintains inventories of 3 varieties of bulk flour for its recipes. Shick designed an unloading system that receives flour from the bulk trucks. As a quality step that met Pepperidge Farm's stringent needs, the flour upon receiving is passed through an inline magnet, sampled, sifted, and entylated before it's pressure conveyed to storage in one of 6 175,000-pound silos. The conditions of air play a key role in material handling. Moisture can affect the integrity of flour storage and transfer. Shick designed a desiccant dry air system for the plant that not only moves the flour, but also purges condensation from the void space in each silo. Depending on the recipe, the plant produces up to 6 batches of ingredients per hour per production line. To meet this demand, Shick designed intermediate storage and scaling systems for the dry ingredients, as well as locally metered liquids. Shick's engineers analyzed each of the plant's numerous ingredients to ensure discharge, scaling accuracy, and conveyability before the process design was finalized. Besides flour, many of Pepperidge Farm's recipes call for larger volumes of minor ingredients. Shick designed a system to automate the handling of these frequently used high-volume ingredients, which are stored in 6 7,000-pound bins. Shick's system stages ingredients called for by each recipe. Through both loss of weight and gain in weight scaling, the exact weight and formulation of minor ingredients are held pending a call signal from the production floor. Each formulated batch is sifted and then vacuum conveyed through an inline magnet, utilizing the plant's conditioned air, to the terminal flour scale receiver located above the mixers. Shick applied its innovative insertable quick change filters on all pneumatic conveying and dust collection systems. These tool-free units reduce maintenance by considerably reducing change-out time and replacement costs. In the micro-ingredient area, weights are critical, especially with the emphasis on label accuracy. This gravity discharge system scales micro-ingredients for each recipe from a gravity discharge bin system. The client found particular value in Shick's approach of practical automation of this area of production.
When we want a pound of this or 5 pounds of that, we know it's there, we're confident in that. It's streamlined, it's highly productive versus our older plants.
Micro-ingredient bins are filled manually and through a traveling bag dump station with an integrated sifter. All bins incorporate a central dust collection system. Shick helped design this room to eliminate cross-contamination and to separate allergens from non-allergens. The heart of this plant's bread-making process is the flour brew room, and Shick's design helps Pepperidge Farm produce the highest quality bread and roll products.
There were many previous obstacles that the customer and other customers have experienced that we were able to overcome by integrating new technologies. For instance, mass flow metering, full sanitation through those, improved heat transfer design to allow for better cleaning and better heat transfer.
Shick automates the delivery of flour brew ingredients into one of 2 batch mix tanks. Cream yeast is added to the brew, and then the mixture is pumped to one of 3 holding vessels to mature. At the completion of the flavor-enhancing fermentation process, the brew is pumped through a heat exchanger, which quickly reduces the mixture's temperature to retard the yeast growth. Then the brew is transferred to cold hold tanks, waiting to be pumped through mass flow meters to the dough mixers. The cycle continues, producing up to 16,000 pounds of brew per hour. The brewing process requires regular cleaning because of its active biologics. Shick custom designed a CIP system that regularly cleanses all lines and tanks. Shick designed the liquid ingredient handling systems, including receiving, storage, and transfer. 3 10,000-gallon bulk liquid tanks were installed to store corn syrup, oil, and shortening. All 3 tanks are hot water jacketed to improve flow to the mixers. For smaller liquid quantities, Shick designed a tote delivery system that allows ingredients to be transferred and metered from intermediate storage to the mixers. The brew, along with major, minor, and micro ingredients, both dry and liquid, converge on demand at the horizontal mixers. Shick wrote the batch automation programs for the HMI computers, which call the ingredients and control the mixers. Automated sequencing allows each mixer to produce 6 batches an hour for bread and 10 batches per hour for rolls. Downstream of the mixers, the dough is divided, proofed, baked, cooled, and then distributed to packaging. Each bread line can bake 160 loaves per minute, and the roll line can produce 800 pieces per minute.
The most important part about running a plant is getting the raw materials to the mixer and getting the process started. Shick was a wonderful partner for us in trying to simplify the process, allow us to have speed through our cycle times, accuracy, communication between the mixing process and the ingredient handling process.
For Pepperidge Farm, Shick engineered a seamless control and management information system for all ingredient handling and mixing operations. Shick integrated Pepperidge's proprietary recipe maintenance system software with the plant's new systems and controls. This software brings together all ingredients plus the processes for recipe integrity. Shick incorporated the latest methods of distributive control to simplify troubleshooting, as well as reduce installation and maintenance costs. The smart network also makes it possible to monitor each component of the process. Operator interface terminals using color graphics and simple text instructions help operators communicate with the system throughout the plant.
It allows our operators who actually do the mixing of bread, of the mixing of the batches, to basically hit a button and rely on the Shick system to deliver the ingredients to the mixer.
The team of Pepperidge Farm and Shick worked together with other vendors to create the most modern and efficient mega bakery. They pushed the technology envelope, engineering systems capable of producing the company's high-quality breads and rolls in a safe, efficient, and automated environment to meet the market demand. Together, they created a recipe for success.
Shick has been a partner with us from the beginning. We spent probably the better part of a year putting this together before we ever made one single loaf of bread, and trained all of our people, our operators, our engineers and maintenance personnel in how to operate their equipment, how to troubleshoot.
The importance of what Shick has provided I see every day in the plant when I watch the bread come out of the oven. It comes out with the same color, the same height, the same weight.
You know, Pepperidge Farm has built a phenomenal brand by delivering quality and consistency, and people are willing to pay a little bit more for a Pepperidge Farm product. We internalized that commitment, and we knew that our job was to help them deliver that in their new Bloomfield facility and every brand and every product that came off that line.
We're in this together. Our success and Shick's success went hand in hand, and we couldn't have had a better partner.